Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different options to choose from. The very first one is using directly our contact list, and the second is using, let's say, dialer settings. Of course, I will show you both options. So let's maybe begin with the contact list. Let's enter the dialer, tap on the contacts, and here we have to tap on the contact we'd like to block. So let me pick this one, and now all we have to do is to just tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and tap on block contact. Tap on block, and as you can see, from now on this contact, this number is blocked, so it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on this three dot icon, and you can tap on unblock contact, but let me leave it blocked because I would like to check if it will appear on our block list. So now let me show you the second way to do that, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or keypad. All you have to do is simply tap on this three dot icon. If you will be on your contacts, then tap on this icon. So let me tap on it and enter the settings. On the very first position we've got block numbers, so let's enter. And here we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just blocked from our contacts. At the very top of it we've got an option called block unknown callers, so it means that your device will block all incoming calls from the numbers which are not saved on your contact list. So if you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here, and right now it is active. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And under it we've got the whole blacklist section, and as you can see, we can add a phone number manually, and we can do it using recents or contacts. And I know that I've just shown you how to block a contact from your contact list, but this way is a little bit different. Let me show you. After tapping on contacts, we will be transferred to our contact list, and actually here you will be able to block a lot of numbers, not one by one just like we did before, but here we can tap on it, and as you can see, it is marked, so we can mark a lot of contacts and then just tap on done in the right upper corner, and as you can see, they immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, as I said, we can add a phone number manually just by tapping on this space, and here we've got the keypad, so we can enter the number we want to block and tap on done. Tap on this plus icon right here, and as you can see, it also immediately appears on our blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from those numbers. Of course, you can unblock them just by tapping on this minus icon right next to them, and as you can see, your device don't even ask, it just unblocks them. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.